Okay, so this is the end of my week recap. It's actually the 31st. I was meant to do this on the 29th, 30th latest, but my lazy ass, I was meant to do this yesterday, but my lazy ass kept postponing it. So yeah, I'm just looking at the trades I took, my analysis, and what could I have done better for the week? Because every trading week is a lesson way to get better to really achieve my goals. Okay. Okay, first things first. I took two trades on GJ. Those were the only trades I took this week. Both of them losses. We'll get into it later. Let's look at gold first. So gold on the weekly, we came in with this bullish engulfing here, and then what happened is this. This pretty much happened. So don't you love to see this? What it looks like. I mean, what it looked like for the first hours of Friday was that, oh, we might be breaking out now. But what I actually find interesting is we did make a higher high. If you put your crosshair exactly there, you can see we did make a higher high. But it's still in that same axis. So what am I saying? Let's go to the 4 hour. If we look at the 4 hour, what can we see? We can see that, let's delete this for a sec. We can see that right here, 1870. This is a good area for us. This is a good area. You see where price has picked up the money and has reversed with it. Although we've had this higher high, higher low, higher high, look where we ran into. We did create a high high now. So this could just be a very deep pullback. But looking at this here, see that perfection? It's amazing. So on the daily, we have a weak bullish candle. Shouldn't the sellers got back into it? Nothing too crazy there. With gold, uh, I I missed all the good moves, like this move here, started London. Should have taken this. I don't know how I missed this, but yeah, I missed that. I think I was on Tuesday, so I was sleeping. This year happened. You can see when this happened. U.S. session. That's the disadvantage of trading the London session, but it is what it is. So personally, for gold, I can say I hesitated in some my analysis, but no, I just need to understand that it's a game of probability and my edge. There's something I read on a book that you have to be rigid in your rules but flexible in your expectations. You can't expect shit from the market because market doesn't owe you shit. So let's go to the trades I actually took. GJ, haha, my lovely pair that I love. That does not love me. Okay, GJ. So as you guys said, I saw that wedge, yeah. Then I saw this move come through. I was like, damn, oof, I'm about to get paid, nigga. That's what I thought, for real. I'm about to get paid. Because I had planned that, oh, breakthrough structure right there, boom, retest. Remember, let's do something fun here. Remember, through the week, I said that we were in this range here. Of course, at that time, we didn't know this guy was going to break, right? I said we were in that range, right? Okay, now, if we take this to the 4 hour, what do we see here? In that lovely range, look at where we come into. in this range. Where have we seen this before with this pair? Right here. We had this range, 1, 2, 3. Look at this. Boom, boom, took off. Here too. I got stuck to my back. I was only seeing the market from the perspective of I want to sell. I need to be able to look at it objectively. That was the main mistake I made with this trade, not the technical analysis, because there are many technical analysis I went wrong here. I could dissect all of that, but look, the market is telling you a bounce from this once. Look where I stopped. Look at the volume that entered into the market. Let's look at it here on the 1 hour. Let's just copy this and put it over here. Look at it. Look at it in the 1 hour. See that bullish engulfing? It's not really about the bullish engulfing, blah blah blah. It's about how much the buyers, the bulls came into the market. And with that, we didn't see one bullish candle. All we kept seeing was rejections. But remember, I drew that box here saying, oh, this is where I want to sell. Let's say I didn't even understand any of this. My dumbass saw this here. I saw this. Ooh, rejection, rejection. I didn't wait for that gradual retest somewhere here and then keep trading low. I did not wait for that. And you see how quick these, because I'm in a hurry to enter, the market will quickly take me out. Impatience. That's just it. Impatience. So we can go over how we had equal lows here. I missed that. We had this. Look at this candle. Let's say this one hadn't formed yet. Yeah, sure. This one though, look at this. Look at the momentum. Look at this hammer. Tap support and bounces straight. Straight. That's something to keep note of. Whenever when you ring, whenever you see that support twice in the mid, it bounces again. GJ likely breaks through from there. Something I've noticed now. Second trade I took, I don't know, I was so hell bent on selling because I started trading. Let me show you guys when I started trading. I started trading 2020, somewhere there, March, right there. Oh yeah, right there. So honestly, I've never seen GJ this high. So when people tell me GJ is heavily undersold, I don't understand because I'm like, what are you talking about? We're at crazy highs right now because this is when I started trading. But that's not it. If you look at it from the bigger picture, this shit is low as fuck. But of course, I didn't get that. I was looking for ways to sell. Now this one here was a good opportunity. I knew it was a risky move. I entered, I saw that breakthrough, saw that retest there, the momentum push. I entered off of that on the, is it 15-minute or 30-minute? I'm not sure. Yeah, 30-minute. Problem is, I had here set up for my break even. But what I failed to see is, as price was coming in, as price came in, look, first contact here, price drove up. Second contact, where did it come into again? Right there, drove up. Then it made this low high. And where they come into again, drove right back into there. And look at how fast it pushed up. Came into here, pushed up, pushed up, pushed up. Now this, I was like, they're red. But right after I saw this, If I even saw it. I didn't see this until after the trade. This rejection right there. And then trade that. This right here is where I should have cut the trade. Because it rejected, kept trading high. That is where I should have cut the trade. I didn't see that. Took a loss. Trade wasn't bad. Could have played out. Probably it could have melted, but it didn't. It could have come back here for a pullback. No. But of course, with counter trend trades, we want to be very careful because this shit, especially in a pair like this, can happen. Boom. So with GJ now, I am not trying to catch the top, all that bullshit. This was a pretty aggressive pullback. We haven't seen this kind in a while now. Last time we saw something like that was here, I guess. So, are we coming back deeper? Are we gonna stop here? I don't know. First point of call, if we break through here, anywhere here, I'm looking to buy. If we break through here, I'm looking to sell. Just follow it. It's my end of the week recap. Thank you.